Hello, my dear students. I, Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today, I am going to discuss with you on subject Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic energy flow in the ecosystem. This is the content. Today, I am going to discuss with you in brief energy flow in the ecosystem, models for energy flow in ecosystem. So, let's start with transfer of energy in an ecosystem. Transfer of energy in an ecosystem is elaborated here. Herbivores takes energy from plant and then consumers take energy from herbivores and scavengers take energy from consumers. Consumers may be of either two types. Energy flow. Sun is the primary source of energy. From sun, producer can take energy and then consumer can take energy from producers and from consumers either energy is flow in two directions. One is directly converted into heat and another is from decomposers to convert into heat. This pattern of energy flow among different organisms is the trophic structures of ecosystem. Energy flow in ecosystems. We can discuss point by point. To maintain life, energy is required. Energy enter in an ecosystem from solar radiations. In Earth atmosphere, about 15 into 10 to the power 8 calorie per meter square per year of solar energy is present, out of which only 47% of the energy reach the Earth's surface and only 1 to 5% of energy reaching the ground is converted into chemical energy by green plants. The plant makes use of raw material from the environment in the form of water, salts, carbon dioxide to prepare food with the help of sunlight. And sunlight is obtained from the sun, which is primary source of energy. Thus, energy from the sun enters the living world through photosynthetic organism and passes on from one organism to another in the form of food. And the flow of energy is unidirectional and non-cyclic. Energy enters the ecosystems from solar radiations and converted into chemical energy by producers. From them, energy passes to lower tropic level to higher. In this way, we conclude one-way flow of energy is governed by law of thermodynamics, which stated energy cannot be created, not destroyed, but may be transferred from one form to another. Second, during the energy transfer, there is degradations of energy from concentrated form to a dispersed form, which is called heat. And one more thing, no energy transformation is 100% efficient. It is always accompanied by some dispersion or loss of energy in the form of heat. Heat energy is not utilized by biological systems and ultimately lost from the body. Energy flow through the ecosystems from sun, energy is taken by producers, from producers to consumers, consumers to decomposers, decomposers to inorganic nutrients pool. Models for energy flow in the ecosystems. The flow of energy through various trophic level in an ecosystem can be explained by following model. One, single channel energy flow models. Second, bicep or double channels energy flow models. Third, universal energy flow models. Single channels energy flow models. Energy captures by autotrophers does not revert back to the solar input but passes to herbivores. This is what called single channel energy flow models in one direction. Second is bicep or double channels energy flow models. Bicep energy flow is more realistic and practical than the single channel energy flow models. Why? Because it conforms to the basic stratified structures of the ecosystem. Second, it separates the two chain, that is grazing and detrace food in both time and space. Third one is universal energy flow model. As the flow of energy take place, there is gradual loss of energy at each level, thereby resulting in less energy available at the next tropic level, as indicated by narrow pipes, energy flow, and small walks. The loss of energy is mainly the energy which is not utilized, which is what we call U. This energy loss is in locomotions, excretions, etc. Or it's the energy lost in respiration CI, which is for maintenance. The remaining energy is used for productions, which is what we call P. That's it. Thank you, student. I hope you like these lectures. We will meet you very soon.